What's going on, guys? It's TK, and today we're going to learn how to make the Final Fantasy inspired drink, Haste. Now, what Haste actually is in the Final Fantasy series is a spell that you can cast to increase your character's speed. Now, the cool thing about this drink is that it's actually what's called a mocktail, which means it doesn't contain alcohol. So if you were looking to make something up for your kids one day and you were hoping not to go to jail, it contains 4 ingredients: grenadine, pineapple juice, orange juice, and a secret energy drink. I'm not going to say the name of what this energy drink is because I don't know if I'm going to run into any copyright issues with that, but we can just call it Blue Cow. You know what it is. Okay, so the first thing we do is we take 1.5 ounces of our orange juice and the same amount of our pineapple juice. And then you want about 3 ounces of your Blue Cow, which is a little less than half the can. So I'd say about that. And then you want just a dash of grenadine to let it sink to the bottom. And you want to make sure that you do this in a flute. And there it is. Alright, that's it for this video. It's as simple as that. If you want to follow me on any of my other media, I do stream pretty regularly on Twitch. You can follow me on there and hang out for a little bit. Facebook and Twitter, those will be in the description as well. Credit to this drink goes out to Mitch from the Drunken Moogle. Their website will be in the description as well. And if anybody wants to go and check out that website, flip through some drinks, and offer any suggestions for what you want me to make next, as long as I have the ingredients or I can afford it, I would be happy to do so. Until next time, everybody take care, and I will see you soon. I love you guys.